Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy Polkabridge. So this one here, it's a bridge between the Polkadot chain and the other blockchains, right? There are a lot of projects that are built on Polkadot, and as you can see they are surging the same way that we've seen with metaverse coins and games. Here we see the same with the Polkadot projects. Okay, so as always, please do your own research and check these coins, see the perspectives of pros and cons, and people that are hating on it and people are praising it. Okay, don't watch just the one angle of the perspectives. Okay, and check if you want to invest on it, and again, always get in with the money that you're willing to lose. Okay, so here we get started. Here is the market. As you can see, there are here decentralized exchanges, but we all know how expensive the fees are. So let's go to Gate.io. In here it's pretty similar to Binance and KuCoin. As you can see, if you don't have an account, create one. You'll find the link in the description, and then after you've created your account, go to wallet and deposit. So go to here and type in the name of the coin that you want to deposit, or just select it and then choose what chain that you want to use. Okay, so just make sure to select the same chain on the other platform that you are withdrawing from. Okay, after you've received your assets, go to trade and spot trading. So if you have deposited any coin other than USDT, just go to here to sell that coin. So for example, let's give an example as getting, let's say VET, and choose the name of the coin that you've deposited with USDT and click on it and scroll down. You'll find the amount of that coin that you have, for example, or you deposited. For example, here as you can see, if I clicked, it will select the whole amount that I have on my balance and put it in here, or you can select the amount that you want here by 50% of the amount that you've got, or 100%, and then click sell and you'll get USDT. Now let's get back here and type in the name of Polkabridge. And here it is. Choose the name of Polkabridge to USDT and scroll down, and let's do the opposite of what we've done here. So as you can see here, you'll find the USDT that you've got right now on your account. Click on it and it will again select the whole amount and put it in here. So these here trying to bargain, as you can see here, trying to buy with lower price than the current market price, and this is vice versa for people that want to sell with a higher price than the current one. Okay, so choose one that is close to here so it can go and get processed as soon as possible by clicking on it, and it will automatically get filled in here, and again choose the whole amount or the amount that you want and click buy. Alright, that's it. Super easy and simple. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.